Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Menteri Ketnat jengok kai perthai wa polling do ulaya thu bak sarkar ka Khot tender no ha ubnai Jymmang mentau snem arhajar pulai ha ka dei bak jing thmu ban Shna ya ka Shillong Ropeway project ka ban sapanya so nadu madan laban shadu shashnong lumparing ter hadu viewpoint jong ulum Shillong ha ka jing kran bigila pathai kubor ha ka khat khandai terek uyayong arhajar pulai wa polling do ulaya thu bayakni ka project la khmi lenti ban pen sedang no la kumno ha ubnai nai weng mentau snem arhajar pulai ha pedengini khendiat benai nadu bala shimti ku menteri Ketnat jengok kai perthai uba polling do oleh tho bolale jurep ya ka SICPAC building ha ka khat praterik yayong arja pulai bat ya ka Orchid Resort ka badana ka Shnong mau ka siang ban lap ikjing duna ka bedei ba ka jing Shna ikini jing tei ki ba kongsan ha kini ka jela.
As Minister in charge tourism, we had the opportunity to meet officials of the department on the 11th of this month to discuss a very important project that is being sanctioned, and that is the Shillong Ropeway project. The project starts from a terminal point at Madan Laban towards Lomparing and to the viewpoint of Shillong Peak. And we will have 12 cables initially, and the engineering will be done as per European standard. So we will be floating tenders in the month of May, and very likely work will start by November of this year. Second is, I also went for an inspection of two very important sites. One is the SICPAC building as Arts and Culture Minister. This site visit took place yesterday. We found a lot of gaps between what was committed and what has been achieved. So accordingly, we will try to bridge the gaps, beginning with the name of the project, SICPAC, which is not the best of names. We have a lot of SIC units around, so we will first start with a fresh name to the project, and it's going to house the biggest theatre in Northeast India with a capacity of 1,700. A lot of changes will have to be made, and the handing over of the project to the state government has not happened till date, despite the inauguration which happened last year. Also, we will be reviewing this matter at the level of which I will take a meeting and invite officers, including the Chief Secretary, because it's a very significant milestone for Meghalaya. And we will bridge all the gaps in terms of agreements and work undertaken also. I had also visited Orchid Resort, Mau Kasiang. A few areas that need further enhancement, and which, along with officials of the tourism department, we will be initiating a few major interventions in the project. Now, most importantly, The Department of Tourism, along with the Asian Development Bank, will be initiating new projects. And to begin with, Shillong and Sora circuits will each get funding of 70 crores per circuit, and these projects will be have been initiated. I can share you the details, and immediately you can go through the details. Then about the declaration of pedestrian zones, I had also had a meeting with the Chief Minister, and he is fully in line with the need to declare Khandailat as a pedestrian zone, with some access to local residents, which will be on the basis of car passes car passes to be issued. But the entire area will be pedestrianized, so that the people who suffer most in Shillong are pedestrians. You have hawkers and you have motorists, using every way, and there's limited scope for people to walk around. So our commitment would be to have at least one pedestrian zone immediately, and that is Khandailat. The declaration of parts of Shillong as no honking zones, we've already started. We're in the process. The district administration and the police are in constant touch, and from the tourism department, we've already started by declaring Orchid Omyam as no honking zone, and similarly other units of the tourism department will also be declared as no honking zone, because the USP of Meghalaya is the serenity, the quiet, which is disturbed by loud honking and loud music, which sometimes carries beyond permissible hours.